Today I will show you how to make heart made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need a ball of yarn, mat, cord, pin, scissors, sewing needle, crochet hook. I have already pinned my cord on the mat in the shape of the heart. And sew places of contiguity. Now let's begin the work. With the needle go through the stitches. I will begin from this point, so I secure the yarn. Let's begin the work. I skip 2 loops and with the needle go through the 3rd loop. And go back. With the needle go through the same stitches. The strings are ready. I pin this part of the work. Now I'm going to work with strings in this part of the heart. With the needle go between threads. With the needle go through the loop of the cord. With the needle go between 2 threads like this. Work with next string. With the needle go under the 2nd thread. We skip next loop and with the needle go through the 2nd loop of the cord. With the needle go under the 1st thread. So continue working in this way till the end of this pattern. I have done all strings. I divide the strings on 2 parts. I mark and let's begin the sewing. With the needle go between 2 threads like this. With the needle go under the 2nd part of the threads like this. I wrap this part and work under the threads of the 1st part. Like this. Let's repeat again. With the needle go under the 2nd part of the threads and wrap the 1st part. Now wrap the 2nd part, go under the 1st part. Now I will skip 1 string on each side. I skip this string. With the needle go under the 2nd part and skip the last string. With the needle go under the threads and wrap the 2nd part. Let's repeat again. Go under the 2nd part and wrap the first part. With the needle, go under the first part. We skip the first string. Let's repeat again. With the needle, go under the second part. I skip the last string. With the needle, go under the first part and wrap the second part. And let's repeat again. I skip the third string from the left side. So continue working in this way till the end of the strings. We have got 2 strings on each side.
You should skip 1 string on each side.
As you can see, I'm working from the bottom to the up.
Now I continue working like this. So continue working in this way till the end of the strings.
I have done the work. Here how the heart looks like. Let's look at our heart. We have done beautiful heart made in Romanian point lace technique. Let's take a look at the back side. And this is front. Thanks for watching.